This is the Cool eco-friendly portable air conditioner by Inventor. Its compact design would fit lovely around any home. This model was not only designed to reside comfortably inside any home, but also to perform at a Class A rating, giving you excellent results, providing the perfect conditions for any room, quickly and effectively. You'll also notice the easy-to-use options, such as the sleep mode. Having a low noise level of 50 decibels, this feature allows you to relax in an ideal environment without being disturbed, all while saving energy at the same time. This appliance also has a triple operation, which includes cooling, dehumidification and fan, for high performance up to 16 degrees Celsius. Also offering other features such as auto evaporation and auto restart mode. These features are all packed into this sleek, compact design, all of which can be controlled using the LCD display and the slim remote controller for ease of use. The integrated omnidirectional casters are another useful feature that allow you to transfer the portable air conditioner whenever you need to, so you can easily move the appliance from one room to the next. The Cool AC is incredibly easy to install. Just set it up next to a window using an airlock device. This appliance will work almost entirely independently, as most of the condensation water will just evaporate. Only on the rare occasion will the device need emptying, which is an easy procedure. Just attach the tube to the siphon and allow the small amount of water to drain away. This is the Cool portable air conditioner, brought to you by Inventor Appliances.